Even an odd component we have to calculate in continuous time. Now I am going to discrete time. Now I am going to discrete time. How to find the odd and even components. How to find the odd and even components. This is A. Okay, first question. First question. So I have a small inclusion in the question. I will take arrow mark for the third element. I will take arrow mark for the third element. Arrow mark indicates the value is at origin. Arrow mark indicates the value exists at origin. Okay, this is our question. This is our question. Now coming to the solution. Coming to the solution. Coming to the solution. First you try to draw the diagram for given x of n. Given x of n, try to draw the diagram. Try to draw the diagram for x of n. Okay, positive n. Arrow mark indicates that is height at origin. Arrow mark indicates that is height at origin. Okay, 2 units. Arrow mark indicates this is n equal to 0. Okay, at n equal to 0, origin. Next, right side you have minus 1, and after that you have plus 3. Minus 1 plus 3. These are the 3 elements. And then left side you have plus 1. You have plus 1. Okay, and then minus 2. Plus 1, minus 2. And this is the diagram for x of n. This is the diagram for x of n. This is origin 0. Okay, this is plus 1, 2. And the left side it is minus 1, minus 2. Left side it is minus 1, minus 2. Okay, now I will go with x of minus n. X of minus n. Mirror image. X of minus n. Draw the mirror image signal. All the positive side bring it to negative side. All the negative side bring it to positive side. So at origin whatever is there it will remain the same at origin. Positive side will come to the negative side. This is minus 1 and then plus 3. Minus 1 plus 3. Okay. And whatever on the negative side will go to the positive side. It is plus 1 and then minus 2. Plus 1 minus 2. This is origin. This is 1 and 2. This is minus 1 minus 2 x-axis points. These are x-axis points. Okay. I have tried with another color I think. Otherwise from the diagram you will understand what is going on. Okay. Now what I will do, I have to add the respective points. I have to add the respective points. Okay. I will go with the first color, I will go with another color. Now the formula is even component of, okay, even component is nothing but half of x of n plus x of minus n. Add the respective elements. Now this is x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis. I am going to draw the diagram for x even of n, okay. 0, 1, 2 on x-axis, minus 1, minus 2 on negative x-axis. Now at 0 what is happening? Both the diagrams you have to add 2 plus 2. It is becoming 4. Okay, at origin it is becoming 4. At origin it is becoming 4. This is 4. Next, right side you are having plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1. Okay, it will become 0. Next, at 2 you are having plus 3 and minus 2. Plus 3 minus 2. It will become plus 1. Plus 3 minus 2. It will become plus 1 is the height. Negative side, if you see here, this is minus 1 and this is plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. It will become 0. Okay. Then here it is minus 2. And here it is plus 3. Okay, minus 2 plus 3. So it will become plus 1. Okay, so what we can do, even component of n is nothing but the elements are plus 1, 0, 4, 0, 1. These are the heights and you have to put arrow mark for the height at origin. At origin, whatever present, if you give arrow mark, that indicates element at origin. Okay. Now I will go with odd component. Okay, diagram I will go for odd component. Now I will go with odd component of n is nothing but half of x of n minus x of minus n. Okay, this is the second first diagram minus second diagram. First diagram minus second diagram. I will go with red color. As question is in yellow. Okay, sometimes you may get again this is a new question. You will think. So now I will go with the diagram in red color. X-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis. I am going to draw the diagram for odd component. Okay, what you have to do, first diagram minus second diagram. Appropriately you have to simplify. First diagram minus second diagram. You are not telling me anything. Divided by 2 also I have to do. Divided by 2 also I have to do. So nobody is asking me any doubt. In the formula I have, okay, divided by 2 also. In the formula I have divided by 2 also. So this is 4 by 2, 4 by 2, 1 by 2 and then 1 by 2. Okay. So answer is 1 by 2, which means 0.5. Then 0, 4 by 2 means 2. Okay, here the value is 2. 4 by 2 means the value is 2. And the last element is 1 by 2, which means 0.5. Okay, in the formula I have half also. That I didn't include. That you have to tell me. Okay, you have to ask me doubt. Now coming to the second odd component. Okay, in the second odd component, first diagram minus second diagram into half also I have to do. First diagram minus second diagram into half also I have to do. Okay. Now at origin what is happening? 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0 only. So at origin you will have 0 as height. Okay, at origin we are having 0 at height. Plus 1 plus 2 x-axis points. Minus 1 minus 2 x-axis points. Okay. At plus 1 what is happening? At plus 1 what is happening? Minus 1 minus the second height is plus 1. Okay. First diagram minus second diagram we have to do. First diagram minus second diagram divided by 2 also we have to do. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, divided by 2 means it will be finally minus 1 only. It will be finally minus 1 only. Now coming to 2. At x-axis point 2, first diagram is 3. First diagram is 3 minus second diagram is minus 2. Second diagram is minus 2. 3 minus of minus 2 will become plus 5. Plus 5 again divided by 2 in the formula. 5 by 2 is 2.5. So 2.5 is the height. 5 by 2 or 2.5 is the height. Okay. Coming to the left side. Left side you see first diagram is plus 1. First diagram is plus 1 minus of minus 1. Okay, it will become plus 2. Plus 2 divided by 2 in the formula. So here it will be plus 1. Plus 1 is the height. And then coming to minus 2. First diagram it is minus 2. Second diagram it is 3. Okay, minus 2 minus 3. First diagram minus second diagram we have to do. So minus 2 minus 3 will become minus 5. In the formula divided by 2 is there. Okay, minus 5 divided by 2 will become minus 2.5. Minus 2.5. So the odd component is nothing but, okay, so minus 2.5. Next element is plus 1. Next is 0. Next is minus 1. Next is plus 2.5. And you have to give arrow mark for height at origin. At origin, height is 0. So I am giving arrow mark for that element. Arrow mark for that element. Okay. Now, next I will go with second question. I will go with second question. Okay, first question completed. First question completed. Now I am going to second question. I will try to draw the diagram. X of n and x of minus n diagram we have to draw. First I am going with x of n diagram. At origin height is minus 1. Arrow mark indicates at origin. Arrow mark indicates origin. Okay, it is minus 1. Then right side it is plus 2. Right side it is plus 2. Next element is plus 3. Okay. Left side it is 0 and plus 1. Left side it is 0 and plus 1. Okay. This is the diagram. X-axis points. X-axis points. This is 0. X-axis points. This is 0, 1, 2. And this is minus 1, minus 2. X-axis points. Okay. Now I will draw the diagram for x of minus n. Now I am going with the diagram for x of minus n. So minus n. Plus n means positive side. Minus n I am going with. So 0, 1, 2 x-axis points. Minus 1, minus 2 x-axis points. Whatever on the positive, at origin whatever is there, it will remain the same. At origin whatever is there, it will remain the same, minus 1. Okay. Positive side you have 2 and 3. You bring it to the negative side. This is 2 and this is 3 units height. And negative side you have 0 and plus 1. So here it is 0 and plus 1. 0 and plus 1. Okay. These are the two diagrams required. Now I will go with even component. Now I will go with white color diagram, even component. The formula is, even component formula is half of x of n plus x of minus n. X of n plus x of minus n. You draw the diagram, x axis, y axis. I am trying to draw the sketch of even component. This is origin, positive n, and 1, 2 points, minus 1, minus 2, x-axis points. Okay. What you have to do, both the diagram addition divided by 2. Okay, addition divided by 2. And at origin minus 1, okay, addition, it will become minus 2, but divided by 2 you have to do divided by 2. So finally height will be minus 1 only. At origin height will be minus 1 only. Positive side you are having 2 and the second diagram 0, 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0. Okay, and in the formula divided by 2. So height is 1. Height is 1. Next point, it is 3. It is 3. Second diagram 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay. And coming to the left side, first diagram 0. Second diagram is 2. Okay, 0 plus 2. Then divided by 2 is also there. So it is plus 1. And here it is height is 1. And here height is 3, 1 plus 3, okay, 1 plus 3 divided by 2, 1 plus 3 divided by 2, it will become 2. Now coming to even component, you have to give the final conclusion also. What are the points? 2, 1, minus 1, plus 1, 2. This is the answer. Give arrow mark for origin. Okay, give arrow mark for height at origin. Now I will go with odd component. I will draw the diagram in red. Okay, the formula for odd component. Odd component is nothing but half of x of n minus x of minus n. Okay, minus x of minus n. Now this is the diagram I am going to draw here. X-axis, y-axis. X-axis, y-axis. And this is odd component I am doing. Okay, odd component I am doing x odd of n. Odd component x odd of n. Okay, this is origin. Plus 1, 2. Left side minus 1, minus 2. Okay. Now at origin, what you have to do? First diagram minus second diagram you have to do. First diagram minus second diagram. Minus 1, minus of minus 1 will become 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0 only. Right side, this is plus 2. Okay, 2 minus 0, it is 2. Divided by 2 means height will be 1. Okay, height will be 1. Next it is 3. 3 minus 1, it is 2. 2 divided by 2 is again height is 1. Left side first diagram is 0. Second diagram is 2. Okay. 0 minus 2, it is minus 2, divided by 2 means minus 1 is the height here. Next, first diagram it is 1, okay, second diagram is plus 3, 1 minus 3, it is minus 2, divided by 2 means minus 1, okay. Now you write the odd components, okay, the signal is minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 1. Give arrow mark for origin component. Element. Okay. This is how you have to do even and odd component. In continuous time and discrete time.